Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. My dear students, class 10 English version, how are you? I hope you are well and studying regularly. Today is lecture 2 from chapter 14. Chapter 14 is biotechnology. My previous lecture I had given a important creative question from this chapter, and today is another creative question. Okay, so let's see. A, tissue culture, B, genetic engineering. Okay, A, tissue culture and B, genetic engineering. Here it will be changes by figure. Okay, tissue culture figure, genetic engineering figure also. First question, what is explained? What is the full meaning of GMO and GMOs? Okay, first, what is explained? Explained is the part of a plant separated with the view of using it in tissue culture is called explained. Okay, this is explained. And what is the full meaning of GMO and GMOs? The full meaning of GMO, genetically modified organism, and GMOs, genetically modified organisms. Okay, organisms. S. Explain the B question. Explain the necessity of biotechnology to prevent the environment pollution in Dhaka city. Okay, necessity of biotechnology to prevent. ঠিক আছে, necessity of biotechnology. Biotechnology is being used to make the environmental management easy and fast, such as management of industrial waste and sewage. Dr. M.K. Chakraborty, okay, he is a Indian scientist. Okay, Dr. M.K. Chakraborty, by performing research on genetic engineering, has developed a variety of Pseudomonas bacteria. What is the name of the bacteria? Pseudomonas. Pseudomonas. Okay. Pseudomonas bacteria, which is able to disintegrate well and hydrocarbon in any environment. Okay. Dhaka city is the city of pollution, as there are many industries in and around it. So biotechnology can play an important role to prevent environment pollution of Dhaka city. What is the name of the bacteria? Pseudomonas. Which scientist? M.K. Chakraborty. Okay, Indian scientist M.K. Chakraborty. Then go to explain the process of the mentioned A technology. Okay, here A technology of the stem is tissue culture. A technology of the stem is tissue culture technology. The process of separating a tissue from a plant and allowing it to grow in a nutrient medium is called tissue culture. Okay, you know what is tissue culture. The process of tissue culture technology is described below. Then you draw the figure. Okay, first one, a healthy plant. Okay, selection of mother plant. This is a mother plant. Here leaf, stem, to cutting a leaf part. This is the part that is used for tissue culture. This is known as explant. Okay, sample tissue, and this is known as then preparation of culture medium. Here petri dish and culture medium, and then explant. Okay, this is the culture medium, petri dish, and development of callus some days. Okay, some days after. Here this is known as callus. Okay, known as callus. And then development of seedling after transferring from callus. Here seedling, conical flux. This is conical flux, and development development of seedling after transferring from class. Here some cells, okay, then here you saw some seedling, okay, some seedling, SEED. Here you can see seedling, then it be separated into a test tube, okay, into a test tube, and then the plant grow and root will be developed, and after some days the plant grow well, okay, and here the root be very much development, okay, then transfer into little tops in the room temperature, okay, in the room temperature. This is the steps, okay. Figure steps of tissue culture or consecutive step, okay, consecutive steps of tissue culture, okay. So first one, selection of mother plant. The healthy disease resistant plant with high quality is selected for plant tissue culture, okay, first one. Second one, preparation of culture medium. Here used culture medium for the growth of the plant culture. Culture media are made by mixing proper amount of essential mineral nutrients, vitamins, phytohormones, okay, sucrose and condensing substance agar, okay, condensing substance agar to bring the medium to a semi-solid state, okay. Then establishment of sterilized medium. Here taking the culture medium in a glass container, okay, test tube, conical flask, its opening is usually closed with a cotton plug. Later it an autoclave machine. Which machine? Autoclave machine, keeping it at the temperature of 121 degree under 15 cubic square inch pressure for 20 minutes, okay. How many time? 20 minutes. How many temperature? 121 degree Celsius, okay. And what is the pressure? 15 cubic per square inch pressure for 20 minutes. The medium is sterilized. Then again after close the mouth or opening the glass container, it is kept into a room temperature, okay. In a room temperature, the room temperature will be 25 or 2 plus minus degree Celsius, okay, for the growth of the explant. After the turning of the medium into a cold and semi-solid state, explants are inoculate. Here, inoculate on it. In this stage, the tissue placed on the medium through repeated cell division turns directly into a planet or callus or a cluster of cells without differentiation. Okay, this is the callus. Transfer in root developing medium. Here, okay, root developing medium. If no root is developed in the here, no root is developed, okay, no root is developed in the plantlets by this time, then after attaining a definite height, okay, shoot are cut and again placed in the root developing medium. Here, root developing medium. Transfer to natural environment or to field level. After washing with water and putting them outside the room on the tubes, the plantlets are allowed to adapt with the external environment. When the grown up plantlets become fresh and strong, they are once planted in soil in natural environment. Okay. So this is the figure, and that is the description. Okay. Number D, the bee technology is a blessing for medical science and environment. Here D question will be changed. Here medical science and environment, there will be in agriculture sector, in plant and sector, in animals, okay, in animals, etc, etc. B technology of the STEM is genetic engineering. Okay, you saw that. B technology of the STEM is genetic engineering technology. Genetic engineering is the technique of transferring a DNA with a specific gene from an organism to a desired organism. Okay. And genetic engineering for medical science. First one, hepatitis B virus vaccine. Okay. Hepatitis B virus vaccine is being produced from yeast through genetic modification. From genetically modified E. coli bacteria and yeast, insulin is being commercially produced for the treatment of diabetes. Okay, by using the gene which produce insulin in the human body. The human growth hormone and components of the stimulant for accelerate growth of granulocytic macrophage colony are being produced from genetically modified E. coli bacteria and yeast, and these are being used for rheumatism, viral diseases, cancer, AIDS, etc. Then go to genetic engineering in the sector of environment. Okay, environment. I have already told genetic engineering for environment protection. The areas of petroleum industry and refinery and coal mining, the being made free from pollution, because this technology is being used to make the environmental management easy and fast, such as management of industrial waste and sewage. Dr. M.K. Chakraborty, by performing search on genetic engineering, has developed a variety Pseudomonas bacteria which is able to disintegrate oil and hydrocarbon in any environment. So genetic engineering is a blessing for medical science and environment sector. Okay. This question is Borishal Board 2019, and this question is very important for you. Here some important question for A and B non question. Okay. First one, first question is, what is an explant? You know that explant, the part of a plant being separate with the view of using in it tissue culture, is called explant. Okay. Then go to what is TMGMV. Okay, first question, what is TMGMV? This is a one non question. Okay, what is TMGMV? Okay, full meaning is tobacco mild green mosaic virus. Okay, tobacco mild green mosaic virus. This is a question of one non question. What do you mean by tissue culture? B non question. B, what do you mean by tissue culture? Okay, this is the two non question. What do you mean by tissue culture? The process of growing a tissue in a nourishing and sterilized medium is tissue culture. Okay, tissue culture is comparatively a new branch of botany. Okay, it is a branch of botany. In plant tissue culture, any separate part or plant of a part like pollen, apical or lateral bud, node, root is cultured in any nourishing and sterilized medium. This is known as tissue culture. Okay. Then what is plasmid? What is plasmid? Plasmid. It is the question of 1 or 2. Okay. Plasmid is a circular DNA. Plasmid is a circular DNA present in the bacteria. It is used as a vector in recombinant DNA technology or genetic engineering technology. So, plasmid is a circular DNA present in the bacteria used as vector in recombinant DNA technology or genetic engineering technology. This is known as plasmid. Then go to what is saprophyte? Saprophyte is a multicellular diploid generation taking place in plants that undergoes alternation of generation. Okay, saprophyte. Then what is interphase? Number 4. What is interphase? What is interphase? Okay, this is the question of 1 nung question. What is interphase? What is interphase? Interphase is the resting phase. Okay, this is the resting phase of a cell between two mitotic division, or the resting period of nucleus. You also told that. Okay, interphase is the resting phase of a cell between two mitotic division. Then 5 nung question. What do you mean by gene cloning? What do you mean by gene cloning? Okay, gene cloning. This is the question of 2 marks. What do you mean by gene cloning? All the technique through which gene is being transferred is combinedly called recombinant DNA technique. Following this technique, the desired part of a DNA is cut from an organism and set it into a DNA of another organism to develop a new character. Okay, to develop for the developing a new character, this is used. The later DNA is called recombinant DNA. The process of developing recombinant DNA is called DNA technology or gene cloning. Okay, this is known as gene cloning. Then go to what is tissue culture? This is another simple question. The process of separating a tissue from a plant and allowing to it to grow in a nutrient medium or culture medium is called tissue culture. Okay. What do you mean by culture medium? 6 nung question. What do you mean by culture medium? Okay, this is another 2 nung question. What do you mean by culture medium? Culture medium is the medium for the growth of the plant tissue. Okay, culture media are made by mixing proper amount of essential mineral nutrients, vitamins, phytohormones, sucrose and condensing substance agar to bring the medium to a semi-solid state. This is known as agar and this is culture medium. So, the question is, what do you mean by culture medium? Then, the question is, biotechnology, another question. Okay, what is biotechnology? Another question, what is meant by recombinant DNA? Okay, what is meant by 7 nung question? What is meant by recombinant DNA? Recombinant DNA. This is the question for 2 nung question. Okay, what is meant by recombinant DNA? changing DNA of any organism to develop new character is called genetic engineering. You know, huh? Changing DNA of any organism to develop new characters is called genetic engineering. All the techniques through which gene is being transferred is combinedly called recombinant DNA technique. Following this technique, the transfer of the desired part of a DNA is cut from an organism and set it into a DNA of another organism to develop a new character. The latter DNA is called recombinant DNA. Okay, the changeable plasmid is called recombinant DNA. Here, their desired gene is present. Okay, this is called recombinant DNA. So this question is very important for you. This is recombinant DNA. What is mean by recombinant DNA? Okay. So these are the question important for you, and I hope you practice this question in your home. Any question? So ask me in my messenger. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Kamrun Naharin.